Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today we are going to turn simple fabric scrap and old paint bucket into magical Christmas decoration that will instantly bring warmth and beauty into your home. For this decoration you can use unused fabric, leftover fabric, old material like paint bucket, tin buckets, and along with the craft I will share a heart-touching Christmas story. The story of little girl who discovered that the true beauty of Christmas lives inside the simplest thing. Take an old paint bucket, metal or plastic, and wash it well. Remove loose paint or dust. This bucket might look useless, but today it will shine brighter than ever. Pick any scrap fabric you have, red cotton, old untamed, jute, print festive fabric, anything work. Christmas decoration don't need to be expensive, only creative. Apply glue or double-sided tape around the bucket. Now slowly wrap the fabric, smooth out wrinkle, fold the edges neatly and the top of bottom so look clean and elegant. Decorate with simple things like pine cones, small jute bow, ribbon, buttons, fake berries. Just glue them on the front to make a centerpiece design. Your fabric bucket is ready. A flower pot, Christmas greenery, a storage pot of ornaments, a table centerpiece, a gift hamper basket. The simple recycling piece will make guests ask, "Where did you buy this?" And only you will know it came from an old paint bucket. This was once a little girl named Alina who lived in a teeny house at the edge of coal village. Her family did not have much money for Christmas decoration, as our previous story, but Alina always dreamed of making the house sparkle like the ones she saw in the city. One day she found an old rusty paint bucket outside. Everyone thought it was trash, but she whispered, "Maybe everything can shine again if someone just believe in it." Take leftover pieces, cut into shapes, star hearts, stocking, Christmas tree triangles. If the fabric is thin, double layer it. Use cotton or scrap filling placed between two fabric layers. This makes the ornament softly and puffy. You can hand stitch machine stitch or even hard glue around the edges. Leave a small opening for ribbon. Now add magical detail, beads, teeny bells, button, glitter, lace, embroidery threads. These hand ornaments bring a warm vintage feel to your Christmas tree. Alina decided to decorate her home with things other people threw away. She washed the old bucket, wrapped it in her mother leftover fabric, and added teeny pines from the backyard. When she finished, her bucket glowed softly under the candlelight, simply beautiful of love. People from the village came to see it. Some said it looked like it come from a fancy shop, but Alina only smiled. She knew beauty does not come from money, it's come from imaginations and your creative thoughts. I hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead.